Down where the radios come alive, there's a shop keeping signals strong and live. DX Radio Shop at the bench all night, testing every circuit till the signal's right. Across the way there's a shadow on the wall, a puppet show rivalry waiting for the call. Strings in the air and a spotlight bright, who's pulling the strings in a radio fight? The meter starts moving, the scope comes alive, a clean signals to go when the radio's on the drive. No magic tricks, no smoke in the air, just skill and experience, proving who's prepared. 3X Radio Shop, puppet master of the show, pulling those strings while the radio signals flow. DX Radio Shop, puppet master of the show, pulling those strings while the radio signals flow. SLC Radio is dancing in the scene, while DX keeps the workbench running clean. While the puppet show plays across the town, DX Radio Shop keeps putting the competition down. But here's the lesson when the curtain falls: success isn't built by shouting through walls. It's built at the bench, one repair at a time, with knowledge and skill that's proven to shine. The radio itself will tell who's best. You can't fake skill, you can't fake the test. DX Radio Shop, puppet master of the show, pulling those strings while the radio signals flow. DX Radio Shop, puppet master of the show, pulling those strings while the radio signals flow. When the curtain closes and the lights fade low, the work you've done is what people will know. Let the puppets dance, let the stories fly. Real technical work doesn't need a disguise. DX Radio Shop, master of the